Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video, I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi calling not working on Infinix Smart 20. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and click on restart. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and turn on flight mode and turn off. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and you will see, click on my phone and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last option is factory data reset. Click on settings app. Now setting, scroll down and click on system and click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on factory reset. Erase all data. Enter phone pin. Click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Wi-Fi calling not working on Infinix Smart 20. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.